on this video, I'm actually going to be covering Rocklights. I'm going to be doing a full install video, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys how it looks at night. So these Rocklights I got from LASFIT. I'm not completely familiar with this particular Rocklight. I've tried others before, but I do love the brand LASFIT. I am rocking their full interior light bulbs. I'm rocking their rear reverse light bulbs. I'm also rocking their light bar. I've had them for a few years now. They've worked great, but most importantly, they're super budget friendly, and they have great reviews on Amazon as well. So I'm definitely proud to rock these Rocklights, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and talk a little bit more about these lights. Now, Rocklights. Why Rocklights? So there's a couple things with these Rocklights. First of all, aesthetics. They look good. It may be subjective. Some people love them, some people don't. Some people have a bunch of fancy colors with them. The good thing about these Rocklights is that it does come with just two colors. You get your regular white and you get your amber. That's all I need and that's all I want. So I'm glad that LASFIT kept that same style. They don't have a random Bluetooth controller with all these different colors. Yeah, that's cool, but I don't really want that. I don't like all the colors. That's just my preference. So when LASFIT reached out to me, I was definitely willing to try their product out because they have some great product. So this is the product. Really nice packaging, really sturdy box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this. So again, before I open this, it does have two different outputs. You get the white output, which is a 6000K. You get the amber, which is 2000K. Of course, these are going to be waterproof, so you can go on a trail, on a muddy trail. You can wash your vehicle. It's going to be fine. They are weather resistant, just like the other light bar. It also has about a 5.4 watt draw. So it's sealed with the LASFIT seal. So you know that it's brand new. And off-road use only because, yeah, you don't want to be that guy running in the streets with the lights on. That's not what you want to do. Now let's take a look. Very, very beautiful packaging. These are going to be their instructions. They come with four Rocklights. They are aluminum casted. They're super heavy duty. It comes with a fuse. It comes with your screws. It comes with an insulated dust cap. And again, with these lights, you don't have to get an extension. It comes with two different sizing. The front has a 8.2 feet cable, and the rears have a 13.1 cable. So you don't have to, again, buy any extensions. You can use this box, get the front and the rears wired up. So that's super, super nice, super easy, and you don't have to buy any additional parts. So that's nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So they mark the boxes. There's going to be two for the front and two for the behind. Right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. I just love opening packages, especially when they're packaged nicely. So just like other Rocklights I've seen in the past, it comes with this rubber mount. So this is curved in case you want to stick it at on one of your rock sliders or on any of the poles. You're able to use this and wedge it on there. This is going to be a little blue thing. So it has about 10 LEDs on each one. Each one is engraved. It looks pretty good. I've seen some other brands before where they're plastic, aluminum, so again, very sturdy. The way these are positioned, it has holes so that you can run these wires and also keep them flush. Example like this. And then you get these pigtails. These pigtails will attach, I believe, onto these. I'm going to open the accessory box so I can find the other set of the pigtails. There you go. So it has a switch which goes to white, off, and then amber. So you don't have to buy any other switches. It comes with your ground, your 10 amp fuse, Comes with a bunch of zip ties to keep things nice and tidy. And you basically run these to your vehicle. You grab the male and the female part of the pigtail. You match up the groove. You insert, and then you screw. So this screw makes it water resistant, waterproof. And just like the LASFIT brand, most of their stuff are super bright and they are long lasting. So I can't wait to get this installed. These are going to be 6 watts each. Let's go ahead and dive into the install, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how it looks at night as well. So let's go. So I've got the Rocklights installed underneath. The screw is sticking out right there. You can barely see it behind this harness, but it is sticking out right there. And I went ahead and wired the wire through there, fished it out. I can close this now. Pero? Now I'm going to work on the rear passenger. Quick tip, if you're doing this by yourself, I put a piece of tape here to hold the screw in place so I can tighten it from the other side. All right, now that the wires ran through the loom, all through the front seat, it's gonna go through the firewall to the front engine bay. Okay, so we're getting ready to wire everything up. So we've got both the passenger side ran on here. We've got the driver side ran here. And because I have a Switch Pro, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this switch from the harness. So we're gonna be cutting this off. We're gonna be keeping
this part of things because this is where all the wires attach to. There are 8 of them. I have 4, so I can add on another 4 if I need to. But we're gonna be, again, cutting off this because we're gonna be using the Switch Pros. All right, so the way that we're gonna wire this up, since we removed the switch and we're using the Switch Pros, this is gonna be the negative, this is gonna be for the amber, and this is gonna be for the white. So I'm gonna use 2 switches, one for the white, one for the amber. All right, guys, here you go. These are going to be the LASFIT Rock lights. Check them out. They come in both white and amber color. I have them wired to my Switch Pros, but check out how bright these guys are. Now with these, it's definitely nicer to have on a really dark trail. It's kind of like having chase lights when you're rolling through a trail. You're easily able to be spotted. Not only that, but having these rock lights, if you ever need to work on your vehicle like a flat or even airing down, it's nice having rock lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the ambers. I have these hooked up to my Switch Pros, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the whites. These are gonna be the whites. See how super bright these guys are? I'll drop a link below with the promo code as well. Man, see how bright these are. If you guys were ever fixing any of your suspension, trying to air down, it is nice. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys on that next one.